Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to clearly understand what Google NotebookLM is, how it is different from ChatGPT, why Google built NotebookLM, and an important concept called source-grounded AI. Let's start with the most basic question. What exactly is Google NotebookLM? According to Google, NotebookLM is an AI-powered research assistant designed to help you refine and organize your ideas. NotebookLM works by allowing you to upload your own sources and then interact with them using AI. These sources can include PDF documents, websites, YouTube videos, audio files, Google Docs, and Google Slides. Once you add sources, NotebookLM helps you understand, summarize, and explore that information in a structured and reliable way. At the core of NotebookLM is Google's Gemini model, which provides advanced reasoning and interaction capabilities. This means you can interact with your content through text and also experience outputs in formats like study guides, briefings, audio overviews, mind maps, and more. Now let's understand how NotebookLM is different from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a general-purpose AI assistant. It is designed to answer a wide range of questions using general knowledge from its training data. When you ask ChatGPT something, it does not limit itself to your personal documents. NotebookLM works in a very different way. NotebookLM is notebook-centric and source-first. It focuses on the content that you upload into a notebook and generates responses based on those sources. When you chat with NotebookLM, it provides grounded answers with clear inline citations showing exactly where the information came from. This focus on citations brings accuracy, transparency, and trust, which is especially important for learning, research, and professional work. Now let's talk about why Google built NotebookLM. Google observed that people are surrounded by information but struggle to process it effectively. Students have textbooks and notes. Professionals have reports, policies, and presentations. Creators and researchers have articles, videos, and reference materials. Google built NotebookLM to help people work directly with their own information instead of searching endlessly or relying on generic answers. The idea was to create a personal research assistant that understands your sources and helps you think, learn, and organize ideas more effectively. This brings us to the most important concept in this lecture: source-grounded AI. Source-grounded AI means the AI bases its responses on the sources you provide instead of guessing or inventing information. NotebookLM reads your documents, analyzes them using Gemini's reasoning, and responds using that content with visible citations. This significantly reduces hallucination and improves reliability. Because of this design, NotebookLM is especially useful for studying, research analysis, content creation, and decision making. Before we close, let's briefly talk about availability. NotebookLM currently supports more than 80 languages. It is available in the browser in over 180 regions where the Gemini app is supported. Most users with business or school Google accounts have access to NotebookLM, and it is also available to education users of all ages. Google also applies stricter content policies for users under 18, and some features may be restricted by age. So to summarize, NotebookLM is an AI-powered research assistant from Google that helps you refine, organize, and understand your ideas using your own sources, powered by Gemini and grounded in citations. In the next lecture, we will start working hands-on with NotebookLM and explore the interface step by step.